Okay, this is a 48-hour cold start. Of course, we are in a showroom, but it's been a couple days. Test drive here. The alignment is perfect. Now the steering wheel is slightly off center. Sounds amazing. Shifts perfect, no issues there. Gonna get on it much more than that. This car is an absolute monster. It's very cold outside. Tires are going to be very cold as well. The car drives phenomenal. No complaints whatsoever. Very, very nice. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So you do have full front clip PPF on this, as well as the side mirrors and a couple other small spots. So this was about a 2-year project with about $200,000 invested in it. They replaced tons of parts on this car to give it that OEM brand new look. And then of course you got the HREs and you got the motor and all the good stuff. But just kind of walking around the car, they wanted it to look like it just came off the showroom floor, and it sure does that. Absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, full front clip PPF. You're going to see little imperfections in that film. For the most part though, that looks amazing. Got the HREs. Beautiful wheel. Got the tiniest little scuff right there. Date code on the tires is 2022, 245/35/19s. Toyo R888Rs. Looks really, really nice. Here on the side mirror, you have the lightest little scuff on the PPF. Luckily it's film, so just take that off, replace it. That plastic looks good. A-pillar looks nice and clean. Trying to scan through that roof. That looks really, really nice. Couple of light markings here and there, all very subtle. Beautiful, beautiful car though. Looking at this wheel, overall in great condition. Now the tires, it looks like they do rub the fender every once in a while because I can see some markings on the tire. But looking at it, the edge looks really clean though. You have film right there protecting that lower section. So really not much to pick apart on this side. You have PPF on the headlights. They look look absolutely gorgeous. Looks good. You're gonna see a little dimple right there. It could just be in the film. Clarity on the paint though looks really good. Really not much to pick apart up there. Of course, you're gonna see on the edges some of the film kind of lifting because they really tucked everything, and so it's bound to kind of lift in some areas, but it's a nice clean kind of rounded corner PPF job. That light looks good. I'm gonna have a couple little impacts there. If you look at that one close, it's hard to tell, but it may have gotten through that film. Headlight looks good. Let's check out the underside. Plastic looks nice. All of that looks good. Gonna have some light markings here, very subtle. Fender looks good here on this wheel. Overall in great condition. Just look how clean all of this is. Light marking on the film, a couple bubbles. The A-pillar looks good. The door looks awesome. Quarter panel's clean. I'm not seeing any flaws on the spoiler. You can just see how perfect this is. Even this light, all of this looks brand new. No flaws there. Here on that film, you do see a couple snags. Try to get under here. Looks really good. All right, and the inside is just as beautiful as the outside. Tons of parts have been replaced to make it look as new as possible. So go check out the description on this car. Really, really nice. We're gonna scan through the door jambs. You can see all the stickers are intact on this car. Look good. Upper panel, that's in great condition. Speaker cover looks good. All of that looks good. Really not much to complain about on that door panel. Here in the jambs, just gonna scan through all that. Looks really good. This plastic looks nice. You do have a gash right there. Looks good. All the weather stripping, I don't see any flaws there. Looking at that seat, looks good. Very minor wear here on that edge. That looks nice. You do have a light scuff there. The rest of that steering wheel looks perfect. Beautiful matte finish. That looks good. Upper side of the dash. Zero flaws there. Really nothing to pick apart right here. This is all really nice. Headliner looks good. All right, scanning through that panel, The upper section looks amazing. See how clean the speaker cover is. Those buttons look good. It's all nice and clean. I do see some light flaws right there. Looking at the jam. That looks good. I'm going to scan through the jam in here as well. Very nice. That plastic looks good. Looking at that bolster, that looks amazing. Beautiful seats. Carpets look good. I love the floor mats. Super cool pattern. No complaints over here. This looks brand new. Scanning back here. All of that is in great condition. This is absolutely gorgeous in here. We're just going to scan through this. Looks good. Like I said, this was a 2-year build. Sourcing all the right parts and just redoing everything that they possibly could and just giving it this nice clean look. Interior and all, suspension components, you name it. So go check out that build sheet if you haven't already, as well as just all the parts that were upgraded, replaced. You see all the attention to detail with the bolts. Looks good there. All the stickers are intact still. Very, very nice.